Students, I hope audio and video is clear. You guys can confirm. So how the things are going on? How's your preparation going on, bachcho? How's your preparation going on for the GATE exam? As we know very well now, GATE exam is having very less time. The October is almost 10 days left for you. Then you are having November, December and January. February is the examination date, so you guys need to do lots of the hard work. So you can tell me first of all how's your preparation going on, and so you can tell me first. Okay, so audio video is clear. All right. Okay, so good. Okay, very good. Good, Ajay. So, dear students, as we know that engineering mathematics is one of the very important subject which you need to cover. Okay, if you means still doing the concept learning, then I will suggest you first of all finish the concept. If you already finished the concept, then only you need to go for the number of questions, the practice. Okay, which I am going to tell you in this session. Ki how much? Oh, sorry. Means first of all. Yeah, Ajay is there. Okay, thank you. So first of all, how you need to proceed for the learning. Okay, if I will tell you, Kibita, just go directly to the test series, just go directly to the PYQs, then it will not help you. So you should follow the pattern. Okay, if you already covered the concept, then only you need to think about the next thing. But still you are in the phase where you are learning the concept. Okay, where you are dealing with the basics, then please finish the basics first of all. So my very first important tip is concept. Okay, to focus on the concept, focus on the basics, because through the basics only you will get to know the tricks. Okay, from the basic learning only you will get to know ki how you need to apply or how you need to solve any question. Yeah, Ajay Singh, I have finished the math syllabus. I am practicing DPPs and PYQ. Is there anything to do? Yeah, surely I will tell you, Ajay, that thing. Rajat, probability series kab continue hoga? We will continue that one. Okay, surely we will continue. Just wait for few more days. So what I am saying, bachcho, ki you need to finish the concept. If you already finished, then now you are ready to do the practice question. In the practice question, we are having three phases. The first is the practice question, means topic wise. If I am taking example of linear algebra, the very first topic, do you know that in the linear algebra, we are having four basic segments. I can divide the algebra in the four parts. First is the matrix algebra, in which the determinant, inverse is there, basic, the operations is there. Second is rank of matrix, including your system of equation. Third is your eigenvalues, eigenvector, and fourth is your Kelly-Hamilton. So if I am talking about overall these four topics, so you need to solve number of questions more in eigenvalues, in rank of matrix. Okay, rank of matrix plus system of equation is same. So you need to do questions in these two majorly. Acha, now you will say, ma'am, if I am not so strong in the determinant, then beta, if you are not strong in the determinant, you are not supposed to solve any question of eigenvalue. If you are not having good concept of determinant, then you are not supposed to solve any question of rank. So determinant is already necessary. Okay, but majority of the question we need to focus in practicing in algebra. There are two topics only. First one is eigenvalue, eigenvector. Almost every year we are having question from this one. Okay, and second is, dear students, rank of matrix, including system of equation. All right, so in this one you need to solve the question. If I am talking about the number of questions, the minimum number of questions which you need to solve for the practice. Acha, in practice, what you need to consider? In the practice, you can consider, if you are a student of IMS GATE Academy, so here you can consider the classroom practice question. You can consider our exercise book question. Okay, or in exercise book we are having three pattern of question: level 1, level 2, level 3. And third, you can consider here as an reference book if you want to go for any reference book. So exercise book question and then reference book question. So minimum number of questions we required in linear algebra is 90 to 100. Means between 90 to 100 question is required, only practice question. These are not get question. I will come to this one. So once you will finish the concept of linear algebra, then you finish the practice question including the classroom questions also. So 100 question almost approximately will be there. Then you need to go for the PYQs. In the PYQs, dear students, minimum, okay, last 15-year questions you need to solve. If you already finish your syllabus and you are having enough time, then you should go with surely the last 30-year or 33-year questions. So you will have each and every okay idea ki which type of question can be framed before 20-year also. So you can see the pattern, the variety, the language. One very important thing for all the students, no matter beta whatever is your branch, if you are from the EC, electrical, IN, mechanical, CS, civil, whatever is your branch, you need to solve the engineering mathematics question of other branches also, whatever is common. Okay, if you are you are looking for the linear algebra question, then if you are from the EC student, okay, then you need to solve the linear algebra question from the PYQ book of civil also. You need to solve the previous year question of civil, mechanical, IN, CS, EE, all that you need to solve. So now what is the reason? The reason is the level means plus minus. There is not so much difference in the level. But what is the important thing you will gain once you will solve the questions of other branches? So you will understand what is the variety in question. Okay, you will understand what is the pattern of language. And dear students, when you will if you will just observe now for the last 30 year, if I will observe, so you can see ki the pattern is same. They are asking you fixed type of question. Okay, only the thing is changing is language or numerical value. Okay, so that's why you need to solve every branch question, no matter is your branch. Okay, you need to solve the common subject. If it's not that you are from the civil and ma'am in the civil so complex variable is not in my syllabus, then why I should solve? No, then there is no need of solving the topic which is not in your syllabus. Okay, yeah, I'm coming to the Mekala Shekhar. Yeah, how to deal with problems in complex analysis. But in complex analysis, you are having a specific pattern of question. There is only 3 segments in the complex. First is the basic. Basic means the introduction of complex variable, where you need to understand what is complex number, okay, how to write down polar form, how to write down Cartesian form, how to write down Euler's form, like that. Okay. Second, you can expect question from the analytical function, that is surely important. And third, you can see the question, and which is very, very important, and I will say if complex variable is in your syllabus, then there is a great chance that this year also you will see one question from the complex integration. Okay, now that complex integration can be from the Cauchy's residue theorem, or that can be from the Cauchy's integral formula. So that does not make any difference, but yes, one short question we can expect almost in every branch. Whoever is having this the complex variable in your syllabus, we can expect the question from the integration part of the complex, that is complex integration. Yeah, I can see some question here. What is this? Is SSC mark sheet issued by? No idea. I'm not having idea for this one. No, SSC mark sheet you are asking about what, beta? Issued by the DigiLocker can be considered as government proof ID for the 25 exam. No, you need to take, beta, you are looking for the registration, get 25 registration na, so you should take your Aadhaar card, okay, or ID proof na, or you need to take your voter ID card, okay, PAN card is possible. So that should be the proof, okay, ID proof. The mark sheet is not the ID proof, I think. Okay, because in mark sheet there is no photo. They will consider you with the photo also. Okay, one comment I missed from the Gyan, that is sometime the question we will not be able to make as how much to spend on one question. Okay, you are asking per question how much time you spend. Yeah. So per question it's not that ki if I will say ki on eigenvalue question you need to spend 2 minutes. No, but it depends on the difficulty level of the question. Suppose you are solving, let's take example of probability. You are solving the questions of probability. And we know very well that in the probability, what is the important thing? Reading the question is important. So it will take time to you if you will read the question, if you will just okay, understand the language of the question. It will take time in the probability. So that is means we need to understand this point ki that is very obvious कि you need to give more time to the probability question as compared to the question of eigenvalue, as compared to the question of linear algebra, as compared to the question of limits. So if you required some time, then the very important thing is before solving the question, I know lots of the students are having same habit ki whenever they see the question, they start solving. No beta, don't do, especially in the maths. Okay, why? Because you need to read the question carefully, you need to understand the language, just try to observe the question and then try to solve. Okay, then in this manner, if it will take 1 minute, then also it is okay. If in this manner it is taking 20 seconds, then also this is okay. We are having lots of the question gyan ki we can solve those question within 20 seconds, within 15 seconds, but at the same time we are having such type of questions also which take may up to 1 minute time also. Okay, so it depends on the difficulty level of the question. Yeah, Ajay, I will I'm coming to that one also, don't worry. How to deal with aptitude, Pavan? Yeah, aptitude is also there. Okay, we need to do enough practice question in the aptitude also, but again my concern is same ki if you are having clarity in the concept, then only you need to enter to the practice question. In aptitude we are having lots of means small topics are there, but the number of topics are more as compared to the engineering mathematics. So you need to reduce the question. Suppose you are solving the number system question, so if you are solving 50 question, then that is sufficient. Same for the permutation and combination, 50 questions sufficient. For geometry, 40 to 50 questions sufficient. Like this you need to solve the questions. Okay. No beta, there is no book you are looking for. Sorry, you are looking for the concept revision of complex analysis. Mekla, please confirm. Alright. Okay. So in this manner I told you about the algebra. In the same manner you can solve the questions from the calculus also. In calculus also we required okay minimum 80 to 100 questions required for the practice. In the same, once you will go to the probability and states, here you need to hold, here you need to spend more time, because now in probability states the student stuck only with the language. Means you are not able to understand ki acha this is the question of conditional or not, or this is the question of Bayes theorem. So you need to understand the language, and for understanding the language you need to spend more time on the question. Okay, so that's why bachcho I am suggesting you to go with the probability especially. Okay, not states part, I am talking about probability. Probability you need to go with the segment wise. Just I used to discuss in our classroom also, in our YouTube also. Okay, you can see lots of videos are available on the YouTube, and there also my pattern is same. I used to discuss with the basics. First of all you should understand the basic concept of probability. Okay, and then you need to go for the segment wise, just like Venn diagram, union, intersection questions. Okay, 10 question maximum is possible there for the Venn diagram. Then you can go for the next one ki now I am ready for the next thing, so you can go with the conditional probability. So 10 to 15 questions sufficient after understanding the concept. 10 to 15 question sufficient for doing practice. Okay, then you need to enter with the coin based question, whatever you are having. Okay, concept, try to understand the concept, then enter with the number of question. Then dice based question, then bag and ball, then card based question. Like this you need to go. Bayes theorem. Okay, so in this one, in the probability section we can see the basic question can be there from the conditional. Basic question means which is having high chances. So basic question can be there from the conditional. Basic question you can see from, because conditional is nowadays very frequently asked. Okay, you can see the question from the Bayes theorem also, including the total probability, or you can see the question from the dice or coin. Okay, so these things we need to cover. While I am talking about in the states, so in the states random variable is one of the very short topic which you need to surely do the revision. You need to do lots of practice question also, whatever you are having. And in this case also I am suggesting you ki go with the PYQs beta. PYQs are very important other than the practice question. First the concept, second is I am giving you one simple funda, PPT. Just use these three things. PPT. PPT means piece. First P stands for the practice question. Second P stands for the previous year questions, means PYQs. And third letter means T, stands for the test series. Once you finish the practice question, okay, then you are able to do the PYQ. So you are having the clarity now. You are at this level ki you can enter with the PYQ. Once you finish the PYQ, now you are able to solve the test series. Okay, that is the higher level. So now you are able to solve the test series. Test series means chapter wise test. As you know that here at IMS Gate Academy also we are having chapter wise test. After every chapter we are having chapter wise test. You can go with the subject wise test also. Okay, so it will help you surely to understand pattern of the question, language of the question, and the very important thing from the test series, you will get to know ki where you stands. Means I will say in a simple language कि आप कितने गहरे पानी में हो. You can understand from that one. Means how? You will get to know after solving those 20 question or 30 question of test series. You will get to know कि अच्छा I am not able to understand this specific thing. I am not comfortable for solving this pattern of question. I am not able to click okay this concept from this specific chapter or this specific topic. So it will help you a lot to understand your negative points. And beta, this is very very important. If you will go, if I will say कि अच्छा ठीक है, you did the practice question तो ठीक है, no, there is no requirement of doing the next thing. No, that is a false. Okay, false thing. Why? Because after doing the classroom questions, you need to go to the practice questions. After that, you need to go to the PYQs. PYQs of every branch in maths and aptitude. Go with the PYQ of every branch. But it's not that you only one time. Go with the multiple time. 2 to 3 time requirement we need to do. Okay, minimum 2 to 3 time you need to do the PYQ across all the branches. तो मजा आ जाएगा. Okay, if you will solve these type of question na, तो automatically you will feel ki wow, means now I'm having confidence, and your confidence will speak automatically. There is no requirement of judgment. Okay, you will see once you are solving the question, you are having the confidence, and that speaks automatically. Okay, at the time of the GATE exam. Okay, in the examination hall, automatically you will have ki acha this type of question, so I solved already lots of. Alright, so in this manner we need to proceed. Then again, in the states, random variable is one of the very very important topic. I will say you should not miss both continuous random variable and discrete random variable both. Here binomial and Poisson distribution is important. Nowadays the normal distribution also you can see the question. So these distribution portion also you need to go through. Alright, and then if I am talking about the differential, in differential now we not required lots of the questions to solve. In the differential, what is important thing ki you need to understand the pattern, because in the differential we are having limited type of thing. Limited means we know that we are having those 5 method: variable separation, homogeneous, linear, exact. So those are very fixed thing. Other than this, you can expect question from the CFPI, which is very common. You can see from the last 5 year CFPI question are very common. Okay, linear is very simple, very easily you can understand that one. So in differential now, rather focusing on practice question, you need to focus on concept. If you know acha this is the question of linear, you know that how to identify. If you know how to identify this the question from which pattern or from which segment, then very easily you can solve it. Because examiner also now, they means they will not do lots of the changes, lots of the variation in the differential equation. The pattern is same. Okay, they will give you max to max key constants. You need to write down answer with the constants term. C1, C2 is mentioned, K1, K2 is mentioned, or they will give you some initial conditions for finding the value of the constant, and then you need to solve. Okay, yeah, you are saying Akash ki XC ke PYQ bhi karwa dijiye. Yeah, I will try to cover. Okay, don't worry, Akash. Here at IMS Gate Academy, we will come with the PYQ series also. Don't worry, on our YouTube channel, so we will cover it. Okay, because my object is that I will try to cover maximum things for you on the YouTube also. Okay, as on our platform, so we are covering everything, but here on YouTube also we will try to cover everything. Okay, so max to max thing when we are covering, so it will surely help you. Okay, so then the differential is important, again important, and this is easily scoreable. आपकी मैथमेटिक्स वीडियोस बहुत हेल्पफुल है. या थैंक यू आकाश, वेलकम. Okay, so the next very important thing is you need to understand the complex variable. Okay, complex variable is a very small topic. but easily scoreable. If you will go with the complex variable, you can see, means 50 question if you solve in the complex, then from the 51st question you will have automatically the confidence. So 40 to 50 question are sufficient in the complex, because this is a very small topic, but again concepts are very simple, straightforward type of question you can see every year. Means when you will see the last 15-year question also, every time you are having a question, straightforward question from the complex. They are not able to twist it more. All right. And then you need to go for the numerical. Again, very simple thing. The numerical, you need to focus on the Simpsons and trapezoidal, plus Newton-Raphson also important. And nowadays they are asking the question from the Euler's also. So that also you need to check. All right. And if I will go for the next, this Laplace transform, that is very small topic. Again, 30-40 questions are sufficient for practice. In numerical also 30-40 questions are sufficient for practice. But first 3 topics, algebra, calculus and probability, minimum 100 questions are required for practice. Okay, for having good confidence. Yeah, Jitendra, welcome. Okay, and then you need to go with the PYQs. Then you need to go with the test series, even the chapter wise tests. Yeah, tips for the double and triple integration. Yeah, well, very good. So double and triple integration, yeah, that is means we can consider this in the vector calculus. So in the vector calculus, bachcho, we can see question, majorly questions we can see from the, there are only 2 segments in the vector calculus. So major questions we can see from the Green theorems. Okay, Gauss divergence is also important, but Green's and Gauss divergence, these 2 theorems you need to do very, means you need to clear with the concept, and you need to do lots of the question for having clarity. Okay, and the next is important here. If I will go to the operator, the operator we are having here as an gradient, divergent, curl. Okay, gradient, divergent and curl. In these 3 also, gradient is more important. All right, so you need to do the question. So double and triple integration we should not do directly. For double and triple integration we need to use the Green's theorem or the GD theorem, Gauss divergence theorem. Okay, yeah, one more thing is important here, as we are not having lots of the question from this one, but still area between the curve, that is also one of the complicated thing. So first of all, try to understand the concept of this area between the, okay, area between any given 2 curve, and then you need to proceed for the questions. Someshwari completed syllabus for engineering mathematics. Very good, shabash. Okay, very good. If you finish now, you are ready to do the practice question. So bachcho, as many as question you can solve, you need to solve here, but you need to, it's not that you are solving in the complex 100 question, which is not required. So you need to focus on the weightage wise also. You need to focus on the toughness also. Does IMS Gate Academy have a DA test series? Yes, we are having. Ajay? Yes, we are having. You can, if you want, you can purchase the DA test series we are having, where we provide for the DA also the chapter wise test, subject wise test, and even the AMTS also. We just recently released the 2 mock tests also for the DA and for other students also. So surely you can consider this one. All right, so correlation or line regression इतना important है? No, I will not say कि ठीक है. Means one time go through, if you are going with, if you know the basic of correlation, what is the line of regression, to theek hai, because we are not having, this is the topic now from this I can see very least question. Okay, so if you are not having time, if you are means already doing something, so you can just give less weightage. This is very means less time taking thing, so we should not spend more time on this one. Yeah, Jitendra क्या बोल रहे हैं मैम मैथ्स के, what you are saying, please complete your line, I'm not able to understand. You covered all engineering mathematics YouTube classes. Okay, so you are asking to me, you write down कि मैम finish the syllabus. No, I not covered till now. Okay, मैम मैथ्स के कितने नंबर के आते हैं गेट में? We are having the 13 marks in the maths, engineering mathematics, weightage is 13 marks. Okay, if you are from the DA, then the weightage will be 30 to 35 marks also out of the 100. Last year in the DA branch, we are having 35 marks question from engineering mathematics. Someshwari, no, I still not cover the full things. Okay, but here on our YouTube channel, you will see lots of the things. Okay, I already covered few topics, and the remaining we will cover. Okay, but maybe it's not possible to cover all the topics in the detailed manner, but surely We will try to cover the PYQs. We will try to cover important questions from every topic. How to prepare aptitude? Yeah, good evening Vishal. How to prepare aptitude? So beta, for aptitude is a 15 marks weightage. You should not miss it anyhow. अभी तक नहीं start किया, then please start it right now, because aptitude can give you 15 marks, and these 15 marks can give you a good rank in the upcoming GATE exam. Alright, so you need to go with the topic wise, focus on those topics which are having high weightage. It means in aptitude you are not having specific time and work is having high weightage, but you need to see last 15-year GATE question ki from which topic you are having more question, and then accordingly you need to do more practice in aptitude. Yeah, you're saying is it important to solve GE main PYQ? No, not Akash. Actually we are having little bit different level from the JE. Okay, so if you are solving the last 30 year, rather solving the JE question, okay, just solve the last 30-year GATE question across all the branches. Okay, whatever you want to solve the question from limit, continuity, differentiability, whatever topic you want, just solve those questions from the last 30-year GATE PYQ. Okay, so automatically you will have confidence in that case. Okay, yes bacha log. So I'm sure now you can understand this one, how to proceed. So don't forget this rule, PPT, practice, PYQ, test. It should be in this sequence, and I will add C also to CPPT. Okay, CPPT. C means concept, learn the concept, then go for the practice question, go for the PYQ, and then go for the test series. It will help you a lot, surely. Okay. Yeah, I used to teach for the engineering maths. Okay. Yeah, I used to teach both subjects, but it's not that ki only maths. I'm taking maths and aptitude both. Don't worry. You can see lots of the videos available on this YouTube channel only. Okay, no need of sorry. And you can see lots of shorts are also available. If you will see those shorts, especially of maths and aptitude, so you will get to know ki acha, this is the question which we can solve within few seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds. You can solve the question by understanding those shorts. You will get to know some tricks also, to which help you surely. Okay, bacha log. Yeah. So anyone is having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, so prepare it very well, do the revision properly, concept revision, make the short notes, do the revision properly, and then go for the practice question, because here in the maths, practice will only help you. Okay, so in the maths and aptitude both, 13 plus 15, 28 marks games we are having. The marks which very important, 28 marks. Okay, maths plus aptitude can give you, which help you to have a very good rank or to achieve a very good score in the upcoming GATE exam. All right. Okay bacho, so all right, so I think that's it from my side. So just go with this one. If you are facing any difficulty, you can write down your query in the comment box also after this one. So I will take care of your comment and I will write down surely my reply also there. All right, so bye bye, take care bacho. Anything else you are having? No. Okay, all right, so just do it properly. First concept, then revise, practice question, PYQs and test series. Do it chapter wise, do it topic wise. Try to find out your negative points. Try to find out ki where you are lacking. Okay, so that is very very important. All right bacho. So beta, for the maths, if you want to start maths from the scratch level for the GATE exam, then you need to attend the first concept classes. Okay. Yeah, surely I will come again live in the upcoming weeks. Stay connected to IIMS GATE Academy YouTube channel. Just subscribe it. If you still not subscribed, so whenever we will come again in the live, so you can just use that time. Okay, that session. Actually Prakash, we are not covering the RRB JE here, so sorry, I'm not able to reply on your question. how to revise. The revision you need to do from the notes. First of all, whatever you made, you are having the classroom notes, to do the revision from the notes. Okay, if you still not make the short notes, then make the short notes also from your detailed notes, and then do the revision. While doing the revision, first do the revision and then do the get questions. Okay, means the practice question, then do the get questions, previous year question, and then do the test series. How many hours to complete engineering mathematics? For MSc pass out, so if you are looking for the PhD or any other further study, then you can give the GATE exam. Okay, Rocky, how many hours you need to spend? So the number of hours is depends on you and your speed totally. We are having the 6-7 topics, and your branch also it varies. So it's not that, but if you are asking about ki per day how many hours we need to give, so we need to give minimum 1 or 1.5 hour daily for the engineering maths. Okay, for the practice question, same 1.5 hour you need to spend for the general aptitude also, and then you can proceed. Alright, how to prepare engineering maths? As I already told you, beta, I already give the answer for this question. Just go for the concept learning, then go for the practice question, go for the PYQ, and then only. And you can take help of our YouTube channel for that learning. Alright, okay, chalo bachcho, bye bye, take care, thank you. See you again. Till that, bye bye, take care. Okay, bachcho.